So I will start to build the layout, and I go, when I look here, I go by the same pages that you have. Okay, so I look to make sure that everything is exactly like you see. And you don't need to look at the pages, please look at the screen. Okay? So your job will be to create the first layout. Okay? You will receive a 2D drawing from Autodesk, and based on that drawing, you will create the 3D layout with Line Designer. Okay? So you log in. In my case, I log in to NX Managed. In your case, you have an icon on your desk. Okay? You may need to reset your libraries. Okay? So this is the reuse library. Okay? If it's already set, that's okay, but if not, you right mouse click, library management, select classification, click here. Again, everything is in the desk, and make sure that Line Designer is checked. Okay. When we're done, okay, file, I'm going to build my first layout. I'm going to call it my layout. I'm going to select the work area. Okay. And immediately I'm in the Line Designer application. Okay, no need to switch. My layout. Okay. I'm going to add a new component. I'm going to go to Assemblies, Create New. I'm going to select another work area. I will call it 2D Reference. Okay? This is okay. Expand, either double click or right mouse, make my work area, right? And now I will bring my 2D layout that I received. Okay? File, import, my case AutoCAD. Okay? Make sure work part. Okay? I will select it from your desktop. You should find this file, and Paul can tell you where it is on the D drive. Okay? If this is like this, now you can look at DWG. Okay? Only thing I need to change is make sure that here I have arcs and lines. It's simply better for selection. And finish. It's working. Okay, done. I select fit. Okay, now there is extra information here I don't need. I click here, 3 dots, click. Okay, and let's click again, 3 dots, select body. It's not needed, and delete. Okay, one more thing, this is too busy for me. I go, here's my layout. Okay. Okay, next I need to look at reference sets. I go to Author, okay, Reference Sets, select Model, okay. I want to bring all the information to the model reference sets. We will learn about reference sets later, you probably know, okay. Control A, okay, everything in the model reference set, close. Okay, done. Save. Okay. Change to work part. Okay. Create new. This time I will select the line type. Okay. Line 1. Okay. And line 2. I'm double clicking, making the work part. Everything I'm going to build now is going to be in line 2. Okay. So if you look at the mouse, there's some in your paperwork, some mouse work. We'll skip this. Okay. I'm going to zoom in to the area that I want to. I select this button and zoom in over here. I'm going to work in this area. Escape. Now I go to the reuse library. Okay. In my case, I want to add some conveyors, classification library, resource management. It's thinking. Okay. Factory resources, conveyors, package conveyors. In your case, you may not see the icons. We will learn how to change. You may need to find. We'll look. Okay. Depends how you set up. Okay. Select palletized conveyor and drag and drop around here. We're starting to build the line. Okay. Click. I want to zoom to component, okay, because that's where I want to work. I'm using the wheel in my mouse. I zoom a little bit out, okay. And now I'm going to move the component. So one way to move, the component is highlighted, move, okay. From here, right, maybe to here, okay, and to here, right. Let's undo, right? Because I used the wrong undo and undo. So if you make mistakes, you can undo and specify orientation. Maybe this one. Change, right? Specify orientation. I can move it different ways, okay? I can also rotate different ways. Okay, different ways to move it. Okay. 2D planning, and I can look at it this way. Okay. Now I want to bring another one. Okay, I have different views, maybe like this, or maybe like this, different views, right? Okay, let's bring another one. Or let's first of all change. So this is too small. Let's change the width. Right mouse button, edit reusable components. Okay, select the width, right? And then measure. Measure. From here maybe to here. Okay? Change. This is parametric component. Okay. One more thing. Edit reusable component. And now I want to change the length. I don't want to put number. I simply drag. Okay? So different ways to change the length. You know, it jumped, snap to grid, I can uncheck, and now I can do fine. Little bit. Okay? I'm happy. Okay? Bring another conveyor. One more. Highlight the connector. It's a little small. Click. The parametric component does two things. First of all, it inherits characteristics, and it also connects. Okay? So we connected. What we do now is we can select a fast placement. This is another command to move things. They move together. They are connected. Okay? Uncheck. Very good. So let's do a little bit more. I'm going to go back and select material handling. Go over here. We're just going to do those two. I'm just going to go without explaining. Just go and build. Take the rack, bring it here. Okay. Take the grid box, bring it here. Make some changes. Mistakes. Okay. Undo. There's one. And click here. And two. Okay. Take this one. Move component. And move it here. And move it here. Okay. Done. Now I have the reuse library. I need to select more data from Teamcenter. Okay. So I go assemblies, add. Okay. Open. Now this is already here, but in your case, you may need to go to home, import the data, resources, and then this is the machine. Okay. And we'll stick it. Apply. Okay. Let's go back here. Exit 3D. Change the view. Zoom in a little bit. Go back to the plant navigator. Make this my workout, my work part. Now we're going to save. We want to make sure that each component that we changed creates a new JT. Okay, we must make the JT. Okay, save. Save options. Check. Okay. And save. Okay. So I talked slowly, but your customer that needs to do the work can do this in a few minutes. The idea of line planning and line designer specifically is efficiency and quickness, because we have libraries, because we have the PTS, okay, and we use NX. It's a very efficient platform for users. So let's take a look at what we did. I'll go quickly because I think you know, but in your slides that you have, Paul, thank you for printing them out. Okay? This is your job. This is how you log in. This is NX if you don't know it. And all the steps I took are in the slides. File new. Okay, tab. This thing, take a look. If you don't know how to work the mouse, I'm sure you do. Okay? Very good. Your turn, please. So please, create, with your pages, create the first layout. This is exercise. And please ask questions.